Hello everybody, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you how to create an account on MarketCall. Okay guys, I've been receiving many messages, many comments, people asking me to create a video about how to create an account on MarketCall. So guys, today I'm going to show you, but before we start, make sure you subscribe, you hit a like. If you have any doubt, don't be shy, write down below in the comment and I'm gonna try to respond all of you. So guys, let's get in. We have here the website of the MarketCall. As you know, MarketCall is one of the pay-per-call affiliate marketing program. Okay, here you will find offers. Okay, here you will find offers to promote. Okay, offers to promote. So you want to know how to create an account and get approved, because you can create an account and your account didn't get approved. So here's the website. As you can see, they say here MarketCall is the best affiliate network to get new clients. We make millions of conversions every year. So they are saying this to the partners and even to the advertisers. Okay, so you can create an account on MarketCall as an advertiser and partner. So there are some difference between these types of accounts. Okay, as an advertiser, if you are an advertiser, you develop some app, you offer some services, and you have an agency and you're looking to reach the right customers and maximize your profits. Okay, so here you can get promoted by super affiliate, easy to use, pay only, qualified calls, detailed statistics and analytics. Okay, so many of you, I know that you want to make money, so you must create an account as a partner. Okay, so I'm a publisher, website owner, influencer, email marketer, app developer looking to promote brands, products and services and maximize my revenue. Okay, so they have here top offers, weekly payouts. Yes, they do. Exclusive verticals, high conversion landing page for each offer. Okay, so why to choose MarketCall? MarketCall is the best. That's why they say. So let's put the hands on work. But before, as you can see right here, we have the verticals. They cover. They cover health insurance, auto insurance, credit repair, TV and internet, home services, and flight booking. Okay, so they have many other verticals. I'm talking about legal verticals. Okay, so let's get here. We'll click sign up. So if you have an account, you can click on login, but this video is for everyone who are looking to create account on MarketCall and get approved. So you will click here on sign up as an affiliate. Okay, so here you're going to put your name. Let's suppose I'm John. Okay, John. John Manuel. Email. Let me just copy this email. Let me just copy this email right here. Let me just copy this email. What am I going to put here? Okay. I think that it's everything okay. No, it's not. Let me What? So it matched right now. And click register. The network is a little bit slow, but no problem. So right here you're going to put your number, okay. I'm going to select my country code and put my phone number as an individual, okay. I can put here my Skype username. Okay, and they sent the activation, okay, the code or the link. Okay, follow the link. It's the same link right here. I can click anywhere. So let's wait. Okay, guys. Now we have the important part. This is the important part, guys. I'm gonna tell you the truth about how to get approved on Market Call. Even not on Market Call, this is all about all pay-per-call affiliate marketing programs. They are always looking only for people who knows how to work with it, okay. They just approve, or in the most of times they just approve people that have some knowledge, people that know how to generate calls. So if you are a beginner, this will be so much difficult to get your account approved, because they are looking for people that knows how to work with it, okay. So they consider that if you are creating account on Market Call, you have experience to run offers by yourself, okay. They are not looking for people only to get in the database and just have many affiliates and not having affiliate that properly work. So if you are a beginner, will be so much difficult to get your account approved. But Market Call are actually giving or approving beginners, but they give you a limited account, okay. So in those limited account, they just put some verticals. I'm talking about pest control, okay. I have already received messages, people asking me how to get up the upgrade on those accounts. So if you want to get upgrade, you must show the Market Call affiliate manager, I think, that you are already done, you are good on it, and generate calls. You must generate calls and show them that you are good on it, you have experience, and they will upgrade your account. So guys, I work on paid search and social, okay. These are the traffic source that I use: paid search and social, okay. And click next. Describe your experience, okay. So right here, guys, you're going to put your experience. I really recommend you to tell them the truth, okay. But you want to get approved, you are not experienced, you don't know nothing about pay-per-call, but you want to start making money. So guys, describe your experience in pay-per-call affiliate marketing, even on digital marketing. So you're going to write here everything about you, about yourself, about your experience, guys, about your experience. If you don't have any experience, try to go to the internet, search for something, and write good things to convince them to approve your account, okay. And you can also pick up something they accept. You can put something like some landing page, some ads that you create on one of those traffic source that you put before, okay, previously, sorry, that you put previously. So let me try to add, let me put this ad preview. This is in PDF. I don't know that it accepts PDF. Right here. They don't. Screenshots. Let me. I don't have ad previews right here. I will try to pick up one of this one. Click open. It's downloading. Okay. And click next question. Okay. Verticals that you work right now, as I told you, they are looking for people that actually work with affiliate marketing or have some experience on affiliate marketing. So you can select insurance, finance. They don't have gambling, dating. They don't have. You can select home services, legal, and sweepstakes. Okay, and click next. If you are not experienced on it, you can select this one, the second one, or even the first one, okay? And click next question. Where did you learn about us? Okay, I can say that I learned about these guys on OfferVault, okay? Or on search, you can click on this and click finalize. I'm creating this account, but I know that I will not get approved. So they say here account activation and system. To get activated and have full access, you need to get in touch with your personal manager through one of these provided contacts. We will be happy to answer all your questions, choose offers for your traffic, and share profitable case studies. So guys, you are going to pick up this information right here. You have the phone number, you have the email, you have the Skype of your affiliate manager. Okay, I will not activate this account. I was just creating this account to show you how to create an account on MarketCall and get approved. So guys, the affiliate manager is going to ask you many questions about your experience, about how you're going to generate calls, and they can sometimes they ask you a reference of some of your affiliate manager from other programs. Okay, so it's a little bit complicated to get approved, but you can get approved without experience. Just write a convincement words. Just write good info about you, about your experience, and try to convince them to approve your account. So guys, that's all for today. I guess that you get everything that I had to give you. Don't forget to subscribe. You hit the like button, and write down below in the comment if you still having any doubt. I will try to respond all of you. And for today is all. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.